Cleveland Punch and Die Company was first introduced to Global Shop Solutions back in 2009.
Our business, Cleveland Punch and Die, has been around since 1880. We manufacture tooling and accessories for the sheet metal fabrication industry. We chose Global Shop Solutions as our ERP software to assist with the management of our shop floor in regards to inventory and costs related to our manufacturing process.
We wanted to know more about the customer, who they were, the contact, the machine, the type of tooling that they used. Global Shop Solutions offered a number of different things that really attracted us to them. Manufacturing software that we use has helped us understand what we need to make every day. It puts us into a schedule. We know what our customers need. They were looking to solve problems that we had internally. We had a good system, but what Global Shop Solutions did for us has made us a better company.
When you have a partner like Global Shop Solutions, there really is no reason to look elsewhere. They're a full service company that helps us to grow our business and support that growth through the use of their ERP package.
We look at Global Shop Solutions as a partner for life. We're there for our customers for life. We're going to be partners with Global Shop for as long as we're around.